Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, universal garage door opener, trip odometer, fog lights, power brakes, power windows, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.